Right now, Honcho Wholesale is constantly adding new inventory to their website. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing what I got and you're interested in seeing what you can get your hands on, keep watching. Okay, so I got my paper right here, my little receipt, and I purchased the women's plus size primarily spring and summer wear for a retail price of $1,655 for 25 units. Of course, that's not what I paid. I paid $180.60, which averages out to around or about $7 a piece. Okay? So, y'all know how I normally do. I just have my wipes and everything, but this is clothing. So, what I'm going to do, I am still going to put on my gloves, but can't wipe down clothing. So, I'm just going to proceed with caution. Okay? All right, let's get into it. And the first item I have is a pair of jean capris, comfort waist. They got the pockets on the side. And these are by I don't know who they're by. It's Karen Scott. Okay. And the original price is $46.50, and they are in a size 3X. Okay, and they got the pocket on the side. And it also has pockets on the front. Pockets on the regular pockets. The next item that I have is a nice spaghetti strap top. Halter. Well, it's both. So it has the spaghetti straps, and then you can tie it around your neck as well, or you can possibly just tuck that in, right? And it looks like it's a crop top maybe. And this is by Leyden. I've never heard of this one. Leyden. And I don't see. Oh, here we go. It's a size large, and it doesn't have a regular price on it. So this one, in my opinion, probably should not have been in a box, but in some areas, in some places, large is considered plus size. So. Next item is a skinny leg ankle pants jean by, it looks like Karen Scott. Nope, Charter Club. And it's in a size 26 wide. See that? The color is so pretty for now. Okay. And the regular price is $69.99. Alright, so here we have a white capri by Style & Co. 16 wide. Regular price is unknown. They have cut off the regular price. But these do have pockets on the back. Are they fun? Okay. So the back pockets are functional. The front pockets are not. See? Not. Boom. Nothing. I never understand that. But okay. Next one looks like a pair of capris by, this looks like Style & Co. But these are like, the cargo kind of pant. And it's in a size 14 wide. Is this view actually working for you guys? Let me know. Because I'm actually sitting down and doing this. I figured that would be better than to stand up, because that way you can actually see what the item looks like while I'm standing. The lighting is a little off. Okay, here are a pair of beige color shorts, and it comes with the belt, in a size 14 wide. I believe these are Charter, Style & Co. They're Style & Co. And the original price on these is $52.50. Here we have a sleeveless top. And it's actually high-low because it comes down further in the front than what it comes to in the back. You see that? By Alfani. It's a 0X. And the original price on this is $65. We have a canary yellow top. Canary yellow is just pretty to me. Some people also consider it to be a mustard yellow, but I just think that it's such a pretty color for the summer. But I'm not a fan of these kind of tops, and I'll tell you why. So it's sleeveless, and it has this whole little side extension here on the side. And me personally, I'm not a fan of those kind of tops. So it's by Alfani. It's a 1X, and the original price is $65.50. Next is Style & Co. and it's a maxi skirt, and it's cobalt color, which is a dark blue, and the original price on it is $69.50. Looks like I have another. Oh, this is a pant. So this is a white pant, no pockets, skinny leg, size 20 wide. Original price is $54.99, and it's by Alfani. It has no pockets and goes all the way down. Okay, these are another beige color short, and it has the adjustable waist. These are size 18 wide by Karen Scott. Oh, these are a sports, and they're woven. Okay. And the pockets are functional all the way around. You got functional back pockets. You got functional pocket here, and of course there's your short. Okay, did it show up? Because I didn't even see it. Yeah. I didn't know that skirts was still a thing, but maybe they're making a comeback. So okay, and this is a stone color, stone, and the original price is $39.50. So this box has a lot of bottoms in it. This is by Style & Co. and it's a pair of jeans. They're kind of lightweight, but no one's really doing jeans right now. These are high-rise tummy-controlled straight leg, but I'm still wearing this them anyway because, you know, why not? So they're straight leg, they're size 24 wide, and the original price is $59. This is a skirt. So it's like a blue paisley print skirt, adjustable waist, Style & Co. size 3X. It's called the Indigo Bandana print, and the original price is $69.50. This is by Style & Co. and I believe it's a dress, red, white, and blue, so that's good for the 4th. And it feels good, like a jersey knit, kind of like a knit. Front and back, size 1X. The original price is $59.50. Okay, so this is just a sky blue kind of cover, sky blue shawl, and the original price on it is $75.50, and it's by Alfani. This is pretty. Oh, okay, that's this one. Okay, so this is a maxi dress, so I'm just going to show the top half here. It's really pretty, and it's by INC. And it's a 3X, and it is called Buddha Paisley, and the original price is $109.50. It's pretty. Let's see here. This is a sleeveless tank by Style & Co. Size 2X. Original price is $44.50. Alright, these are a denim wide leg pant by, I don't know, by INC, and they're in the size 18 wide, and their original price, and they're in the size 18 wide, and the original price is $79.50. So they're just a wide pant, denim wide pant, functional pockets. It goes all the way down. Okay. Black pair of shorts by INC, mid-rise in a size 26 wide. Original price $59.50. Top by Karen Scott, the purple floral top. The back in a size 0X. Original price is $14.99. Okay, these are another black pair of pants in a size 26 wide. They're skinny leg, and they're by INC. Actually, these are capris. So this is the bottom. See the little embroidery on the bottom. The top, functional pockets, skinny leg. Original price $79.50, 26 wide. Oh, okay. So this is a coat by Levi in a size 1X, so it's like a rain jacket. I like the color. It's like a plum and blue color by Levi. Functional pockets. I think they're functional. Yeah. Big functional pockets. The original price on it is $180, and it's considered to be in the color navy, size 1X by Levi. And it has a hood. This is by Alfani, a nice embroidered top in white. You can see the embroidered stitching on the shoulder. It's in a 1X, and it's a halter. Well, it's a faux halter. What I mean by faux is that it gives the illusion of a halter by being a tie closure at the bottom, but it actually isn't a halter because it comes all the way down to your waist. And it's a size 1X, $79.50. Right? Another tank by Alfani in a aqua green color, size 3X. Original price is $55.50. And the last item in the box is this long sleeve sweatshirt, but it's really thin. Has this print on the sleeve, and it is by Style & Co. It's a size 1X, and the original price is $69.50. Okay, that's it. This box is empty. So that's it. Again, if you like any of the pieces that you've seen, reach out to me, DM me, and let me know. I'll go ahead and post it onto one of my selling platforms for you to go ahead and buy. And if you're interested in anything that I got from Honcho, if you want to get some items yourself, I have a link down in the description box along with a coupon code. Again, feel free to use it. You can use it as many times as you want. There is unlimited usage. So if you used it before, you can use it again and again and again. Feel free to click on the link. They have apparel for not only plus size, okay? They have regular size clothes as well. They have shoes. They have cosmetics, okay? So they have a little bit of everything. And they have some men's as well. So don't think that they don't have anything for the guys, okay? They have men's. They don't have big men, like big men and tall, but they do have men's, okay? So feel free to go check out the site. Click on the link in the description box. Check out the site. And if you see something you like, add it to the cart. And when you go to check out, click on your order summary. And it has where you can put your promo code in there, okay? Don't put it in the box where it's like comments or whatever. You click on the order summary and it says promo code, and you can put the promo code in there. So if you saw something today and was like, okay, I'm gonna go get that, and then you go on there and see something tomorrow because they done posted something else, and you're like, oh man, I already used the coupon code. You can use it again. Matter of fact, just add it, okay? Put it in your palm, okay? Write it right there on the palm. You can use it again and again and again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and feel free to check out my other videos. I have some linked in the bottom, or you can just go to my page and just click watch all and just watch them all, binge watch them all, and just enjoy. Until next time, see you in the next one.